Hello guys, you are watching new technical videos on your channel Real Mint Tech. Guys, keep on watching so that you can add on few new words to your knowledge dictionary. Guys, don't forget to press like, share, subscribe and bell icon given below so that you can get notification when I upload new videos for you.
This is a aluminum block and tool is moving in a minus x direction. Now tool is moving in minus z direction as comes down, and now tool is moving in plus x direction as you are seeing. Now tool moving in minus x direction. Now further tool moves in minus z direction downwards, and further it moves in a right direction, which is, we can say, plus x direction is this, as tool is moving. Now tool is moving in minus x direction as is moving in left direction. This, you can see how smooth surface is this. This is our aluminum block which we have to give a desired shape, and this is called a solid carbide and mill tool. Now tool movement is to and fro motion. It is moving away from us, which is plus y direction. Away from us it is plus y direction, and now tool come towards us as it is minus y direction, and chips is coming out. You can see the workpiece is cutting by this tool as chips coming out. Now tool comes down in minus z direction, and tool moving in minus y direction, and chips is coming out. You can see as tool is cutting the workpiece. Now tool is moving in plus y direction so that it can give a finishing. You can see here how smooth is the surface. This is a perpendicular to this above surface. It is giving uh, smooth surface so that irregular sides can be converted into smooth and straight sides so that it can be clamped at a correct position. This is called a pre-machining. You can see this is our